Cooking on a college budget doesn't have to be dull or uninspired. In fact, it can be downright exciting and delicious. But here's where it gets controversial. Many students assume that eating well while saving money means endless bowls of instant ramen or bland cafeteria food. That's simply not true. With just a handful of ingredients from Aldi, you can create satisfying, easy meals that won't break the bank or take hours to prepare. Growing up, I cherished the moments spent in the kitchen with my family, baking cookies and making jam with my grandma, layering casseroles and stirring soups alongside my mom, and even husking corn and picking avocados with my dad. Those experiences made cooking feel like a warm, comforting ritual. However, when I started college in San Francisco, cooking alone was a completely different challenge. Suddenly, I had to manage budgeting, grocery shopping, meal prepping, cooking, and cleaning, all while balancing classes, exploring a new city, and building a social life. Eating out was tempting, but quickly became too expensive, so some of my fondest memories are actually from cooking in our tiny dorm kitchen. It was equipped with just a microwave, a small oven, and a fridge barely big enough for essentials. I soon realized that college cooking didn't have to revolve around instant ramen every night. Though let's be honest, ramen is fantastic and definitely makes an appearance in this list. This collection features 22 clever, budget-friendly meals that require only 3 or 4 ingredients from Aldi. Whether you have an air fryer, toaster oven, or just a microwave, there's a variety of options here, including both meat and vegetarian dishes. To make things even easier, I've included estimated costs for each recipe, both for 4 servings and single portions, so you can plan your budget or decide if you want to share with roommates. A little creativity in the kitchen can go a long way during college, and I hope these recipes inspire you to experiment and enjoy your cooking journey. Here's what you can make. 1. Air Fryer Pizza Bagels. 2. Microwave Mug Omelet. 3. Microwave Vegetarian Nachos. 4. 5 Cheese Ravioli in Marinara. 5. Tuna Melt. 6. Spicy Barbecue Chicken Quesadilla. 7. Fettuccine Alfredo. 8. Sheet Pan Chicken and Veggies. 9. Avocado Jar Salad. 10. Buffalo Ranch Chicken Wrap. 11. Egg Fried Cauliflower Rice. 12. Greek Rice Bowl. 13. Peanut Butter Banana Waffle Stack. 14. Chickpea Curry. 15. Veggie Taco Lettuce Cups. 16. Turkey and Swiss Hawaiian Roll Sliders. 17. Chicken Pot Pie. 18. Mediterranean Chickpea Salad. 19. Air Fryer Teriyaki Salmon and Broccoli Bowls. 20. Southwest Chicken Taco Salad. 21. Yogurt Parfait Cups. 22. Air Fryer Double Cheddar Grilled Cheese. Remember, easy and affordable doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor or fun. Aldi's affordable ingredients are perfect for college students looking to create meals that feel like takeout, remind you of home-cooked comfort food, or even impress on a casual date night. These 22 recipes prove that you don't need a long list of ingredients or a big budget to eat well in college. Just a bit of imagination, a shopping cart at Aldi, and maybe a hungry roommate or two to share the feast. What are your go-to college meals? Do you have any budget-friendly recipes that you swear by? I'd love to hear your thoughts and favorites in the comments below. Let's get the conversation started. And if you're hungry for even more easy, dorm-friendly recipes, be sure to download the free Tasty app, where you can explore and save thousands of recipes without any subscription fees.